Hi everyone, my name's Tash and we're just about to start the second week of our daily art challenges with the same theme. So last week was panda and this week is lizard. So first of all, we're going to start off with just doing a doodle. It's a nice easy way off to do something creative around a theme. So let's get on with that. Make sure you follow me for all the future videos. Okay, so we're going to start off with doodle, as I said. So in my sketchbooks, I like to draw frames to draw things in so that I'm not kind of daunted by the whole page and there is a specific sort of space just to get working on. Now I'm going to actually draw a kind of circle shape in the middle, because that is the shape I'm going to have of the lizard curling round. So it's going to come round here and have a lizard shaped face. Then we're going to have one arm coming out like this, and then we're going to kind of curve it round. I say arm, the legs, aren't they? Get your anatomy right, Tash. Right, and then we come round, and then this is where the tail's going to come round and thin out round here. So, and then we obviously need the legs on the other side. So we will make sure that he or she has got legs on both sides. Would be useful. Now remember, this is a doodle, it's not a realist sketch, so please don't expect that. We're just doing fun daily art. Now they have these funny little webbed feet, don't they? So I am currently using somebody else's doodle that's online, and we're having a go at that. It's royalty free, so it's fine for me to use. Ooh. With you guys. I just saw it and I thought that's such a cool picture. I don't necessarily have time to sit down and think of what I'm going to do. I do a video a day, plus I do a full long length tutorial every week for YT, and so yeah, the thinking time is not necessarily there. I also homeschool one of my children and the other child is special needs as well, so I'm a busy mama. Okay, so here, although this comes round, we're going to give it a bit of an underbelly, which looks cool, and that's going to be striped to kind of show where its underbelly is. And then in the face is quite a nice kind of shapes to it, so really simple. So we've got the these little, I don't know what you call it, they're like, it just swings up, it's really nice. And then we're going to have a circle here quite big and a circle here quite big, but then we go smaller again to draw the eye, and then it's a line across the top, a line across the top, and then we just do more circles, and it kind of creates this dopey eyed look. And then we're going to do basically the same pattern on the stomach on the front of the face, which I think looks good, and then there's a couple of little curves around here. So it really is a doodle, it's not lifelike in any way. Then we're going to start doing some circles that start on the head and then go around the body. They get bigger as you go around. I'm just going to sharpen my pencil. I need this sharp point at the moment, which I don't have. There we go. And so we need to make sure we're drawing circles that kind of join each other all the way around. It doesn't really matter what size they are. You can do them as big as you want. What I'm going to do is try and get the circles here a bit bigger on the back. Make sure they're a bit bigger in the middle. And make sure it's staying sort of in the middle of the lizard. We can change it when we go over it in pen in a minute anyway. Right, so now we need to get a bit smaller. Oh, they're going oval a bit, that's okay. Whatever you fancy. and then towards the tail they get tiny, tiny. I'm not sure how tiny I want to get. There. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go over it in the pen. So I'll fast forward this bit for you because it's just outlining, and then you can decide whether you want to colour it or not. I try to keep my doodles just black and white. I don't think I've picked up one of my better pens. Oh yeah, no, it's fine now. Got these little shapes on the mouth here. I'm going to turn this now just to make it easier to fill in as we go round. This is actually just a normal kind of ballpoint pen, but it has such a nice small point to it that I love to line in it. What I'm going to do is lighten those bits up a bit so that's still there, but it's much easier for me to draw them in. Just going to finish off drawing the eye in. Okay, so he's all done. I'm not going to colour him in. I could shade him and things like that, but we are going to do an actual drawing of a lizard in a minute, so we're going to leave all the detailed stuff and shading and things like that. And of course you can colour it in too. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Please do give it a go. Let me know how you get on. Take care, and I'll see you in day 2 of the lizards.